Hey, what's up people, Martin Unix here, and I'm happy to bring you another educative episode. Today I'm going to show you on how to do a layered barrel burn on extended dreadlocks. Guys, I will be working on these dreadlocks. If you want to know more about the color, guys, visit my previous video. I showed how I did the color on these temporary dreadlocks. This is temporary color, remember that guys. So we are going to do the layered barrel burn. It's a quick style guys for my beginners, and it's gonna be amazing to our first learners. So come with me as I show you on how to do the layered burn. So guys, we are going to kick off by doing a crown. That is, I've left out some two strands here, which now I'm going to use to make that crown at the front. And I'm gonna decorate the crown using some silver cups and some shells. So let's kick off guys. This is the way to go about it. I'm gonna intertwine the two strands together just like this to come up with my crown, which is gonna be decorated after that area guys. So guys, we are quickly going to kick off by decorating the crown using these silver cups. Alright guys, we are through with our crown. As you can see, we have already done the decorations. It's a nice look guys. Now we are going to kick off with the layered barrel burn. That way guys, we are going to pick strands from behind. This is the way to go guys. We are going to pick strands from behind. And do you know why behind? Because there will be a certain pattern, a point of intersection where the barrel is starting. So just to avoid giving our style an ugly look from the front, we are going to give it that look from the behind. That is guys, now we are going to leave the point of the intersection to be at the back, just to disguise the look. So that way guys, we're going to kick off by picking certain strands. We pick strands, certain volume of strands guys. It will depend with the size you want your barrel to be. So in that case, I've just picked these particular strands without counting, just by the look of the high guys, because I want my barrel to be of this size. So then guys, you roll the strands clockwise to the base, just like that. Then on my case, I will be picking two strands at certain intervals. That is, I will start with this particular interval. I'm gonna pick two strands and wrap them around that way guys. You see, just to affirm the base, I will be going twice, just like that. Then I'm gonna pick another two strands from this area like that, guys. Wrap them around just like that. That way, guys. I'm gonna pick another 2 strands as we move on with our barrel. Wrap them around twice like that. Leave them at that point. Remember, we are going around, guys. Just for the benefit of our beginners, I'm gonna go slow. Pick 2 strands, wrap them around that way. Another 2 strands like this, guys. Then I'm gonna wrap them around that way. Pick another 2 strands. Wrap them around. Now this is the point of intersection, and we are going to allow the layer now to come over the bottom layer. That way, guys, we will be forming that layer and band. Pick another 2 strands, wrap them around that way. This time round we are going on top. Pick 2 strands, wrap them around. That way. Pick 2 strands, wrap them around. That way. Remember, guys, we are leaving behind the colored part just for a final kick. Pick 2 strands, wrap them. Pick 2 strands, wrap them. That way. Pick 2 strands, continue wrapping them around, guys. Pick 2 strands, wrap them around. And now our color begins at this point, guys. Now we are going to use the colored part. That way, guys, I will kick off by picking 2 strands, wrapping them around that way. Pick 2 strands, wrap them around like that. Pick 2 strands, wrap them around. Singe, okay? Now, after reaching at this point, guys, we are going to finish off our style. At the finishing area, guys, we are going to tuck in the final tip to the center, just like that. Then we are going to mold our style and secure it so that it can go for quite some time. So now, guys, we are going to finish off by applying some silver rings at the middle section, just to add flavor on our style, as well as bringing that aspect of cohesion on our style. That is this is our final outcome, guys. You can have a look on how our crown is giving another decorative look, guys. It's divining our forehand, and this is our layered bun. You can have a look on how it's well done. It's a new style, guys. You can try it out. It's a helpful style, guys, to our beginners, because it's a quick style, guys. It's a style that you can learn very fast. Kindly share my work, guys. Like my work, comment positively, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel for more tutorials to come, guys. Thank you and welcome.